Looking for a fun and tasty vintage recipe to share during summer barbecues? I'm Marcy McDonald with Pacific Northwest Suburban Homesteading. This week, remote homestead accomplice Shauna Zimmerman shows us the super easy dump cake from the 80s.
Hi, I'm remote homestead accomplice Shauna Zimmerman, and today I'm bringing you yet another quick and easy vintage recipe that is fun to make and bring to a party. This is called a dump cake. Now, before I get into it, we're all going to start with the first instruction, which is preheating the oven. Since that takes a couple minutes, I'm going to get that started now, and then I'll tell you what a dump cake is. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to give that a minute to heat up. So dump cakes, also called dump it cakes, were very popular in the 1980s and 1990s. They're very simple to make. I remember making them all the time, and they have 4 very simple ingredients. So while that oven is preheating, let's talk about that. 2 large cans of fruit. Now, the beauty of a dump cake is it's very flexible on what kind of fruit you use. In our case here, we chose peach and pineapple. You could do apple and cherry. You could do blueberry and whatever you want to do. So we have canned fruit, which in this case is pineapple, canned in its own juice. We don't want this very juicy, so I'm going to actually open this and start it draining. Your other option is to use pie filling, and pie filling has a much thicker sweetened sauce that holds together a little better, so you don't have to drain this. So right now, let me start draining the pineapple. You don't need the juice for the recipe, but it's lovely and refreshing to drink, so be sure to save it. You're going to want to try to get this as dry as you can. Don't just let it drip. You kind of give it a good squeeze to force as much juice out of it as you can. So look at all this juice that I squeezed out of one 15-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Do you like pina coladas? As I said, they're called dump cakes or dump it cakes. Well, that doesn't sound very attractive, does it? Why do they call it a dump cake? Well, here's how you make a dump cake. Start with a casserole style pan, 9 by 13 pan. Grease it lightly. And here's why they call it a dump cake. Because you're gonna dump in some pineapple. Because you're gonna dump in some peach. Gonna mix that around. Spread it around evenly. On top of that, you're gonna dump a box of yellow cake mix. Some of you may have seen the video I did comparing baking a scratch cake versus baking a cake from a box. And while I prefer doing it from scratch, I did say that the boxed cakes have their place. This is one of those places. You're gonna dump this on top. Spread it around a little bit, nice and evenly. And on top of that, you're gonna dump 3/4 cup of melted butter. spread it around lightly, but do not stir this together. Do not mix it up. You just want to make sure it can kind of reach all the powder. And that's all there is to the ingredients. You dump 4 things into a pan, and now we're gonna bake it when the oven finishes preheating to 350 degrees. All right, so the oven is preheated, 350 degrees, 1 hour. The first time I baked a dump-it cake, I was probably just out of high school, and I was working one of my first jobs out of high school. I still have the apron from that first job. And I'm thinking, if this vintage apron is still good, this vintage recipe is probably just as good. Oh, that looks perfect. So, one dump cake. It's kind of like a peach cobbler. Smells delightful right now, but I'm not going to taste test this because the peaches are probably about as hot as the surface of Mercury. That smells good. The recipe that I have came from my grandmother's recipe file, and she had written notes on it that instead of cake mix, you could also use Jiffy or Bisquick, any of those baking mixes. Those would not be as sweet. That would be more like peaches and dumplings, but you could do that too. I like the sweeter version, which is more like a cake. So let's let this cool and have a taste test. So here we are. I chose to cover the cake in a little plastic film and refrigerate it overnight to serve it cool, but you can also serve this cake hot. It's your choice. It's very much like peaches and dumplings, which some people prefer warm with ice cream or whipped cream, whatever you prefer. And here we go. All that's left to do is give it a taste test. It's called a dump cake. It does not have a cake texture. It's not the light, fluffy sponge. It is more of a cobbler texture, but for such a simple, quick, and easy recipe that you can just throw together and take to a party, this is great. Okay, we used peach and pineapple together for this one. I highly recommend it, but any fruit flavor combo, just make sure that if you're using canned fruit of any type, you drain it very well. If you're using canned pie filling, you don't have to drain that. You just don't want a very liquidy, runny fruit on the bottom. Otherwise, make this for people. I'm sure this will be a hit at any party you take it to.
With the coming holiday weekend and warmer weather, the summer get-togethers will be starting. This super easy recipe could be a useful contribution to those events. I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, be curious, keep an open mind, and never stop learning.